everyone, welcome to the makeup depot. Today we are going to recreate a Deepika's look. As you can see here, Deepika is wearing separate by Anamika Khanna. She is looking gorgeous in nude lipstick and smoky eye makeup. We will start with cleansing, which is the most important part of makeup to get a perfect base. After that, we will hydrate our face with the help of mist. I'm using here Love Earth mist. Then we will moisturize our face with Nivea moisturizer. As my skin type is normal, I'm applying here oil based primer from PAC. You can use this for normal to dry skin. Use gel based primer if you are having combination skin or oily skin. Then we will cover dark circle and uneven tone with the help of orange or peach color corrector. Now we will use any thin foundation that give you glowing soft base. Here I am using NARS foundation. You can add illuminator in foundation for more shiny base. While recreating any celebrity look, highlighting and contouring can be the game changer. Lock your base with the powder. Now we will proceed to the eye makeup. You can see her eyebrows are sharp and black. As my eyebrows are very light, I have to use here dark brown pomade which is from ABH. We will now recreate a smoky and brown eye look. Firstly, we will apply brown eyeshadow on crease line and blend it very well. After that, we will apply gel liner on middle part of eyelid and merge it with the help of brush and finish the shadow blending gently. Put some jet black kajal. Then we will sharpen and highlight all the facial features. Then apply a soft pink blush. Using here lighter eyelash, I have got hooded eye. Lastly, we will apply some lipstick. I am using lipstick from Too Faced. Finally, we got our desired look. I hope you like this look.